Hello everyone, welcome back. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, do you ask for directions? Today we talk about directions. I'm on the street. I look around. Many roads. I am lost.
That happens. New place, no idea where to go. What do?
I stop. I look at a person. I ask, "Excuse me, where is the cafe?" Simple question. I wait. Maybe they help.
Good start. What do they say?
The person smiles. They say, "Go straight." Easy. Then turn left. Walk a little. It is there. Nice.
Good directions. Straight, then left. Can you follow?
I walk straight. 1 step, 2 steps. I look around. Careful. Then I turn left. I check again. Is this correct? Maybe. I walk slowly. I follow the directions. Straight, then left. I try. I see a street. I turn left. I walk more. Maybe here.
Sounds good. Easy directions. You are close, right?
I look around. No cafe, only houses. I walk more. Still nothing. No people. This is wrong.
Uh-oh. Wrong turn. Classic problem.
I stop. I turn around. I look again. Where am I? I say, no cafe, no shop, only houses.
Maybe wrong left or wrong street. What do you do now?
I see a person. I walk to them. I smile. I ask again, "Excuse me, where is the cafe?" I think I am lost. I say it.
Good move. Ask again. Simple and clear.
The person laughs a little. They say, "Not this way." Oh. Go back, then go right, not left. New direction. I walk back slowly. Same street again. I look carefully. This time, no mistake. I reach the corner. I stop. I look right. Okay. I turn right. New street. More people. Better.
Good sign. More people, maybe shops. Keep going.
I walk straight, step by step. I look around. Careful. Then I see it. A small cafe. Brown door. That's it.
Yes, you found it. Finally.
I smile big. I say, "I did it." No more stress. I walk to the door. I open it. Warm inside. Nice place.
From lost to found. Good feeling. Worth it.
I sit down. I relax. I say, "Now coffee." I sit in the cafe. I drink my coffee. I feel relaxed. Good moment. Then someone comes. They look confused. They look around. Maybe lost.
Just like you before. Same situation. What do?
They come to me. They say, "Excuse me." I listen. Where is the bus stop? Simple question. I understand. My turn.
Now you help. Use your words. Simple directions.
I say, "Go straight." I point forward. Easy. Then turn right. I show the way. Clear hand. Simple. Walk a little. It is there. I smile. Done.
Very good. Short and clear. Perfect directions.
The person smiles. They say, "Thank you." Nice. I smile back. I say, "You're welcome." I helped.
Before, you were lost. Now, you help others. Big change. Good progress.
Yes, I feel good. I understand now. Easy. The person looks at me. They listen carefully. But they look unsure. Maybe not clear. I add more. I say, "Go straight," again. "You will see a bank. Big building. On your right. There."
Good. Landmarks help. Easy to see.
I continue. Then turn right. At the bank. Simple. Walk a little more. You will see a park. Green trees. Easy.
Nice. Bank, park, clear pictures. Much better.
I say, "The bus stop is near the park. Next to it." Final step. The person nods. They repeat, "Straight, bank, right, park." Good.
That is perfect. Landmarks make it easy. No confusion. Clear path.
I smile. I feel confident. I can help now. Nice feeling. The person is ready. I give more details. A longer way. Listen carefully. I say, "First, go straight. Not too far. Easy start. Then turn left. At the small shop. Red sign. There."
Good. First straight, then left. Okay.
I continue. Walk straight again. A little more. Not long. Then turn right. At the corner. Big street. You will see it.
Now it is longer. Straight, left, straight, right. Careful.
I finish. Then turn left again. Last turn. Almost there. The bus stop is there. Next to the road. Easy to see. Done.
Many steps, but clear. Good order. Nice directions.
The person repeats, "Straight, left, straight, right, left." Step by step. Good. I smile. I say, "Yes, that's right. Perfect." The directions are long, many steps, maybe too much. I try a short way. I say, "Short way. Go straight. Easy. Then right, then left. Bus stop is there." Done.
Very short. Only key steps. Easy to remember. Good.
But maybe not clear. No details. Risky.
Yes. Short is fast, but less clear. Depends.
Now, long version. More details. Step by step. Listen. Go straight. See the bank. Turn right there. Good start. Walk more. See the park. Then turn left. More clear.
Yes. More words, but more help. Easy.
So, short or long, both okay. Just choose.
Yes. Short for easy places, long for new places. Smart choice.
I smile. I understand now. Not one way, many ways. The person looks at me. They try to remember. Then they speak. Go straight, then left, then right. I listen. Something is wrong. Not correct. Small mistake.
Good moment. Now fix it. Gently.
I smile. I say, "Almost correct. Good try." First, go straight. Then turn left. Then straight again. Step by step. After that, turn right, then left. Bus stop is there. Clear now.
Much better. Correct order. Easy to follow.
The person repeats again. Straight, left, straight, right, left. This time, correct. Good. I nod. I say, yes, perfect. You got it.
That is important. Repeat and fix. No confusion.
Yes. Listen and correct. Simple help. Good communication. Today we talked about directions. Left, right, straight. Simple words. Big help. We saw something important. Ask clearly. Listen carefully. Repeat if needed.
Yes, that is the lesson. Short or long, both are okay. Just be clear. And if you don't understand, ask again. No problem. It helps.
If you like this episode, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, do you ask for directions?
We would love to hear your stories. Thank you for listening today. See you in the next episode.